Being able to read a tape measure is an important skill for every DIYer. On a standard tape measure, the full lines indicate inches. The shorter lines indicate fractions of an inch. The second largest line is the half-inch mark, followed by the 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch, and 1/16 inch marks. So if your measurement ends here, it is 8 5/16 inches long. Tape measures generally also have special indications every 16 inches. That's because it is a common distance between studs in a wall. Another common distance is every 24 inches. If you've located one stud, this will help you quickly find others nearby. Now that you can confidently read your tape measure, good luck on all your DIY projects.